Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Fuel Your Body Vietnamese Meatballs meal prep here in PEI. So this one here has 503 calories, 45 grams of protein, 46 grams of carbohydrate, and 15 grams of protein. And the ingredients in this meal are lean beef, ginger, garlic, carrots, cabbage, noodles, sesame, green onion, vinegar, olive oil, and seasoning. May contain nuts. It's gluten-free and dairy-free. So I heated this up for 1.5 minutes. They say you can heat these up for 1.5 minutes to 3 minutes, and until the internal temperature reaches 75 degrees Celsius. 1.5 minutes always works well for me with these types of meals. And you can order these online at www.eatfyb.ca. So, recyclable packaging, really nice. And look at this one here. These meatballs look really good. It smells really good too. I've never smelled meatballs that smell like this before, but I like how they smell. So I will get right into this. Looks like there's green onion in this too. I might have mentioned that earlier. I'm not 100% sure, but looks really good. Real hot. All right, I'll get right into this. These meatballs are pretty sweet. It's interesting. You got a little bit of sweetness in them. Some of the noodles and the beef. That's really good. The vegetables on the side are pretty decent as well. But the main winner here is these meatballs. Never had anything like this before, and I am enjoying it a lot. There's sesame seeds on that. Yeah, sesame. Oh yeah, there's green onion in this too, so that makes sense. Wow. I've never tasted anything like that before. It has tastes of like ginger, some sweetness. I'm not sure why it's sweet. Maybe sesame, olive oil, or seasoning, anything like that. It's not sweet like sugar, but it's a little bit sweet. I really like that. So, yeah, if you like spaghetti meatballs, this is a little bit different, but I can guarantee you that it tastes very good. So, I would give the Vietnamese meatballs a 7.5 to an 8 out of 10. And it's really good for having lean beef and 45 grams of protein while tasting like this. It is a little bit higher in the calories than some of the other meals. It has 500 calories. That is still very low though compared to many other meals out there. So still really good. Has a higher protein content, so that's amazing. And that's where some of the extra calories are coming from. So not a big deal, but still very good. And you can order this online at www.eatfyb.ca, as I mentioned earlier, or you can follow them on Instagram or Facebook at eatfyb. Check out their different types of meals that they have out there. They have new ones releasing all the time, and you can sign up for a one-time meal delivery, or you can get a meal plan delivered right to your doorstep or close by if you're living in the Charlottetown region. So really cool. They also now offer their products in New Brunswick, so many different ways to get your Fuel Your Body meals. PEI's best meal delivery. Real good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I will see you in the next video.